All right, I want to find the missing side lengths here. A and B. First thing to recognize is a 45, 45, 90. So those side ratios are going to be 1 to 1 to root 2. So what I like to do, this is one of the legs. So if I take one of the legs and multiply it by root 2, so in other words 2 root 2, and I multiply it by root 2, that gives me the hypotenuse. So that's going to be equal to A. So first thing I'm going to do is solve for A. Root 2 times root 2 is just root 4, so I can combine those. That's one of those properties. So 2 root 4, we know what square root of 4 is. That's 2, so this ends up being 2 times 2, or just 4. Other one's real simple, B. This is a 45, 45, 90, so this leg is congruent to this leg. So B is equal to 2 root 2, and we're done.